Hi, welcome to Make to Explore. In this video, using SenseCraft AI tool and its pre-trained gesture detection model, we will create a DIY project to control the home appliances using different hand gestures. So without any further delays, let's get started. So in our previous videos, we have seen what is SenseCraft AI, how you can use it to deploy pre-trained and custom Vision AI models on Groove Vision AI V2 and Xiao ESP32S3 Sense development boards. In this video, we are going to use that knowledge to build a project. You can go through those video tutorials for reference. Links are shared in the description. Okay, so before going into practical session, let me give you the brief introduction about what we are going to build. So we will make home automation project, in which we're going to control appliances using hand gestures. Let me show you the functional block diagram of hardware setup. So you can see, this is a hardware setup of the DIY project. Gesture-controlled appliances. This camera and Vision AI module is connected to the Xiao ESP32 controller, which is further connected with this 2-channel relay board. We will connect 2 appliances to this relay board, 1 AC bulb and 1 DC cooling fan. So these 2 devices, controller and camera module, are very important components in our project. If you want to know more about them, then you can go to Seed Studio's Wikipedia knowledge base. Let me show you. So you can see, this is a wiki page for Groove Vision AI V2 module. This is the link. We will share it in description. You can read what they said here. This is an MCU-based Vision AI module, powered by ARM Cortex-M55 and Ethos U55. It supports TensorFlow and PyTorch frameworks and is compatible with Arduino IDE. With the SenseCraft AI algorithm platform, trained ML models can be deployed to the sensor without the need for coding. Okay, so you'll find thorough information on this page about this module, like features, applications, hardware overview, then connection methods and other development information. Then down here, you will find getting started guides, like, for example, how to getting started with Arduino, how to getting started with SenseCraft AI, how to connect Groove Vision AI V2 to Home Assistant, and so on. You can check them out for more information. Alright, next is our microcontroller board, which is Xiao ESP32S3. This is its documentation wiki page. You can go through this for more details, like specifications, features, hardware overview, pinouts, and other getting started guides. Alright, so we suggest you that you should check out these guides about Xiao ESP32S3 board and Groove Vision AI module to understand this project in detail. Then we have also used this type of breakout base for Xiao ESP32 board. It is called as Groove Shield for Xiao with battery management chip. It has I2C and UART Groove breakout connectors, which we can use to connect with Vision AI V2 module, like shown in this image. Okay, let's get back to our presentation. Now, let me explain you the working of the project in brief. So, as we mentioned earlier, this project will be programmed to control the appliances using hand gestures. You must have been thinking, how is that going to happen? Let's see. So, you must have known this famous rock, paper, scissors game, which kids used to play. In this game, there are 3 hand gestures, namely rock, paper, and scissors, like these. You can see here in this image. So, In our earlier video, we have seen that there is pre-trained gesture detection model available at SenseCraft AI Tools Models Library. We also have seen its demo. Now we are going to use that same Vision AI model for our project. First, we will flash that gesture detection model into Groove Vision AI v2. If you don't know about it, you can refer our previous videos. Then, we will use SSCMA library to configure and access the output of models deployed on the Groove Vision AI device. So, what is this SSCMA? Let me show you the documentation in brief. So you can see SSCMA stands for Seed SenseCraft Model Assistant. It is an open-source project focused on providing state-of-the-art AI algorithms for embedded devices. It is designed to help developers and makers to easily deploy various AI models on low-cost hardwares, such as microcontrollers and single-board computers, SBCs. So this is a Model Assistance documentation homepage. Then, this is a GitHub repository. And this is Wiki page, where they have given testing results and application examples. For those interested in learning more, we recommend exploring each of these resources. So, we are going to use Arduino-based library, which is designed for SSCMA microfirmware. You can go to GitHub page of this SSCMA library for more details. Let me show you. So, here is the link. You can download SSCMA library from this official GitHub repository. As we mentioned earlier, this library, the Seed Arduino SSCMA library, is designed to enable Arduino hosts to communicate with sensors equipped with the SSCMA microfirmware. This library provides the necessary drivers to facilitate seamless interaction between the Arduino platform and sensors supporting the SSCMA microfirmware. Our Groove Vision AI v2 module supports this firmware. Hence, we can interface Xiao ESP32S3 with it and use this library to configure and access the output of models deployed on the Groove Vision AI device. Then down here, you will find all the information about how you can use this library, like installation, uses, examples, methods, and compatibility details. Then, they have also given inference code examples. Let me show you. So, in this folder, you'll find inference examples. The inference example code demonstrates how to perform inference using the SSCMA library and retrieve the model's output, including bounding boxes, classes, points, and key points. The code initializes the video capture SSCMA microcore and performs inference on each frame captured by the camera. The output of the model, such as bounding boxes, classes, points, and key points, is printed to the serial monitor. So we have used these codes as our references for our project. Okay, now let's get back to the presentation. So, using this library, we will write a code for Xiao ESP32S3 to retrieve the model inference outputs. Then we will use those outputs as a trigger points to control these appliances whenever specific gesture is detected. For example, suppose if you make this rock gesture in front of camera, it will generate some target IDs like bounding boxes, classes, points, and key points logs in Groove Vision AI. We have seen it already. Let me show you again. So you can see the gesture detection model is deployed on Groove Vision AI module, and it is running inference. Whenever any gesture is made in front of camera, you can see its related records get logged into this log window. We're going to use that same logs and IDs to identify which gesture is detected, and subsequently, we can then program ESP32 to retrieve them and perform control actions. For example, we will program like whenever rock gesture is detected, send trigger signal to relay module to turn on the bulb. Similarly, whenever scissors gesture is detected, turn on the fan. And likewise, whenever paper gesture is detected, turn off all the devices. Now let me show you how we have implemented this in code. So this is a program of our project. You can see all code is self-explanatory, well documented, and properly commented. You can easily understand it. We have added detailed comments explaining each of these code snippets. Let me show you the key points. First, we have included the SSCMA library. Then, further required initializations are done. Here we have initialized SSCMA instance. Then in setup loop, all I/O port related, serial initializations and other settings are done. Let me show you where we detect the gestures and control the outputs. So this is the function. Whenever the bounding boxes target IDs related to specific gestures get detected, we have added the subsequent control codes. You can also include additional confidence conditions, like these. Okay, so this is all about the project's code. Please note, this is just a basic code. You can explore more. For example, using SenseCraft AI, you can build your custom vision AI model to detect number of fingers and control multiple relays. Possibilities are limitless. This is very flexible tool. Unleash your creativity and bring innovative ideas to life with this versatile tool. All right, now let's see the circuit diagram of the project. So this is a circuit diagram. You can see all connections are done in color coding and properly named. Please note, this is a high-resolution image. You can zoom in further to get clearer views of the connections. We have used actual physical components instead of graphics so that you can easily point out pins and assemble the circuit quickly. You will get all this documentation, code, circuit diagram on project's GitHub repository. Links will be shared in the description. Okay, now let's see the demo of the project. So you can see, this is all hardware assembly. Now, let me show you the components one by one. So this is a camera module, which is Raspberry Pi camera. It is connected with this Groove Vision AI V2 module via the FRC cable. Then, using the Groove connector cable, it further connected to the Xiao ESP32S3 board, which is mounted on this breakout board. You can see, this base board has female breakout headers as well as Groove-compatible breakout points. So here, you can either use Grove cable or jumper wires as shown in here. Then, this is our Xiao ESP32 board, and it is connected with Groove Vision AI module. Then next, this ESP32 controller board further connected to this relay module. This is a 2-channel, 5 volts, DC relay board. These 2 relays are used to switch these 2 loads. 2 appliances. Among them, this is a DC appliance, which is 5 volts DC cooling fan. And other one is AC bulb, which operates at 230 volts AC power supply. Okay, so we're going to control these 2 appliances using hand gestures. Now let's see the demo. Here we have to make hand gesture in front of this camera. First, let's turn on the bulb. Then, let's turn on the fan. Then, let's turn them off. Okay, so in this way, we can control the appliances using hand gestures. Okay, so in this way, we have seen, using SenseCraft AI tool and its pre-trained gesture detection model, we can create a DIY project to control the home appliances using different hand gestures. In our upcoming videos, we will try to make and explore more projects using this SenseCraft AI tool and SSCMA library. Stay tuned for more projects and tech updates. If you face any difficulty in replicating our DIY projects, feel free to ping us on Telegram or WhatsApp. You can also send us email at info@maketoexplore.com. We would be happy to help. Thank you.